Hayi injalo. Hayi ayijiki ke uma isinje. Yazi we've done a lot of proving and showing things, a lot of show and tell, ne? Okay, sharp. Mara, or actually, hey, asesiyibuke le nto ngiyakubona ukuthi kunama roles akhona, right? I understand roles within a family. I understand roles within a household. I understand roles spiritually. Ne? Sharp. Awukuyicabanga nje noma uphinde ubuze lapha. Yabo mina mangithi angiyena wakini. Ngikhuluma iqiniso angiyena wakini. Meaning ukuthi some things you can listen but ask your family members. Buza umnombo wakho ukuthi ihamba kanjani into. A simple thing, I'm going to change direction now in my teachings. Done the show and tell, it's fine. We go now a little bit deeper where we start talking about roles. I'm going to emphasize a lot on roles. A simple thing like, what is the role Umzali ka Melaphi? Here's a learned. What is the role played by the parent of either a traditional healer or a spiritual healer? Remember, my friend, these two things are not the same. A healer and a spiritual healer. There is a person that heals the body, that maneuvers the body, the actual physical body, and there is a person that heals the spirit, the actual spirit. Umuntu owazi ukwelapha imimoya engamela umuntu. Fine. Two different things, my friend. Two totally different things, my friend. All right? I'm going to go a lot into things like that now, where I'll continuously open your mind. Show you izinto. But never forget, angiyena mina wakini. Buza abantu bakini. Bazokutshela. Ta.